Over the years, the 15-story building had deteriorated from natural elements and pollutants. Dark carbon stained the exterior and hundreds of small holes made way for rainwater, wind, and birds to enter the building. With the interior of the building having gone through modernization and upgrades, it was time to tackle the exterior. Witmer Restoration cleaned 100% of the structure, repaired all of the deficiencies in the limestone, and applied a water repellent to 100% of the building. At the base of the building, hundreds of deteriorated limestone panels were replaced with polished granite. Witmer Restoration, the Benton Building, Masonry. Project Manager David Legnini. Client, Department of General Services, the City of Baltimore. Architect, SP and Architects.